It's time guys. It's time for our boiled eggs. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let's jump straight into today's video. So these are the ingredients I'll use. I have like 7 boiled eggs, onions, I have green capsicum and some dhania stems. I have I've pureed like 3 tomatoes. I'll also use curry powder from the word egg curry. So let's do this. You can use any shape you want and any size you wish. I like using this ring shape. I'm going to transfer this and we go straight to our cooking area. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Just add some enough amount. Yeah, and my cooking oil is ready. You know, there's a time you want to eat, you want to do your eggs, and you have a baby, you still want to make a stew out of it, and you're like, how am I gonna go about it? So I'm here to help you. I'm here to sort all your worries. Let's just wait this to turn, our onion to turn translucent before adding in our puree. So our onions are ready. Add in our tomato puree, but I'm not going to put all this in because I'm showing you 2 methods, one which is boiled eggs, and I'll do another fry egg, but I'll also do a stew. So I'm just gonna add at least 3/4 of this. Yeah, like that, because the other one is just 2 eggs. I like how everything goes silent and then it slowly starts to boil. And the aroma, man, look how colorful it is. So this is mixed spices. It has got turmeric, garlic, ginger, just a lot, masala, you know. In our curry powder, of course, you can't miss this because it's egg curry we are doing. Sawa. After that, just a small amount of salt to taste, and you give it a good mix. Wow, it looks so nice already, so colorful. But I like doing this recipe with coconut milk, but I don't have at the moment, so I'm just gonna use what I have to achieve what I want. It's been a minute. Let that cook for a minute so that everything binds together, so that everything cooks and marry each other. And it's time guys. It's time for our boiled eggs. And you'll experience how this yolk will just make a good gravy. This is so nice, look at that. So you can eat this with any starch of your choice, and today I chose rice. I have the boiled rice over here, so I'll do this with rice. And yeah, so if you ever wondered how you can do how you can make stew out of eggs, that you covered. So this is the point, you add in either milk, water, or coconut milk. Yeah. Oh my, you just missed that. I just added just a quarter glass of water because I don't want to dilute my stew. Oh my god, I thought it was recording. the challenges I normally get when I'm going to sprinkle in dania leaves just for garnishing purpose. Like few times, and you switch off your gas because you don't want our dania leaves to cook. Don't serve the purpose of garnishing. Yeah, that's it. That's how you do your, that's one method of how you can do your egg curry. Please comment, let me know which method you'd wish to try. Thank you so much for watching. We meet again in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Prayer is a weapon. Bye. Love you.